Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can join for Shen Discord server. So you just need to search here the game name that will be for Shaken, and then it will give you the options or suggestions. So you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then they will give you all the necessary things in that place. So you just need to click all of them. Once you click over here, then you just need to wait a bit to complete the loading. Once it's done, then you just need to be scroll down, and underneath the social links you will find out their X, former Twitter, for the following, and then you will give you the Discord server option. So if you click over here, then you will allow to add their server by using your Discord. So here you can see they already give us the option. So now if I accept as a visible, then they will associate me with the fork Shaken platform. Just click over here, and this is the easiest way. Now I believe that you can also add yourself in your Fork server. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.